Welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how Apple CarPlay works in a car. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. So guys, this is my brand new 2019 Nissan Sentra SV sedan and I really love it as of now. So my car is equipped with Apple CarPlay and that's what I'm going to show. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start the car so that I can really show you that how it works. But I will not go anywhere. So I just turn on the car and my control system has been connected. So with this wire, that is connected to my panel here. I'm going to connect my Apple phone. Sorry about that. Okay, our phone is connected and you can see that it is automatically getting connected to Apple CarPlay. And now once it is connected to Apple CarPlay, it's all over the screen here. So whatever I want, I can take it from here. For example, let me use Siri. Hey Siri, what is the temperature outside?
It's -2 degrees outside.
You see, it came all the way on my car. Hey Siri, please start the map direction to Bramley Station.
Directions to where?
Bramley Station.
Getting directions to Bramley Station, main lot.
You can see the direction started. So it is totally connected, no problem.
Starting route to Bramley Station, main lot.
Okay, see, it has come
Head
on.
north on Ancestor Drive, then turn right onto
Hey
Lake
Siri.
Louise Drive.
Hey Siri. Oh, because map is done. Turn off the map.
Okay, it's stopped now.
You can see I got this absolutely very. Now what happens is when you actually driving and all of a sudden you get a call, how can you really pick it? With it's gonna come on your screen, and then from there you can pick it up just by doing a touch screen, because this is actually a touch screen. That's the advantage of it. And you can even call people as well. For example, let's say I'm thinking, to whom should I call? Let me call my mother. Hey Siri, call Ma.
Calling Ma.
I can end the call. I don't want to wake her up now, but you can see the control is right here. So this is excellent. I can even play music, anything that comes in my mind using this panel. This is really amazingly connected, and not mandatorily like you have to go through this Apple Maps. You can even connect using Google Maps. In fact, I use Google Maps more than Apple Maps because of my love with Google, whatever reason you say. And that's it guys. So it's very easy to connect. We just connect it over here and that's it. It really works out for us. So that's how this Apple CarPlay works. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to us. Thank you guys.